Come on. Abazali kholwa elidala kholwa elingafike enje. Shake hands and pray.
Clap your hands and pray.
It's like umoya ngcwele ezinthandazela wena.
As I'm praying for you,
Unreminder ke into ye-one.
he's reminding me of one thing.
Ba apho udila nale meko ndikuthumela into yobana dila nayo kwabanje.
You are dealing with the situation I've seen you to deal with in these
Apha
people.
kulo mntu udila nale nto ndikuthumela yona uba kakudile nayo kula maxhosa.
That will deal with in these process.
Lo moya
This spirit
odibene namagqirha phakathi.
that had something to do with Sangoma in it.
Silike umoya ngcwele yandikhumbuza uthi no.
The Spirit of God is reminding me that
Remove lo moya.
remove this spirit.
Wo lo ulidele kuba kube khona sometimes sharp pain enhliziyweni.
There's some sharp pains in the heart.
The spirit is all see one.
It's the same spirit
Esokolisana namaxhosa.
that is tormenting you as
I
process.
think uThixo ufuna ndene decide.
You need to decide
Ukuthi no.
that no,
Lolu hlobo lomoya
this kind of spirit
singamaxhosa
as process,
siyadinga ubaleka ukuphileni nalo moya.
we need to run away from living
Siyadinga
with this
uyeke
spirit.
ukwamkela lo hlobo lomoya.
We need to not accept this kind of spirit.
Lo moya
This
udibene
spirit
nobugqirha phakathi.
that's something to do with being a Sangoma in it.
Uzise izigulo ebantwini
Brings sicknesses
so
to
that
people
abantu bangabi na choice.
so that people don't have a choice.
Bathi no choice.
And so I don't have a choice.
Ngiyagula.
I'm sick.
Awuyenzelanga into ethile.
It did not do this for you.
Uyefamba uligqirha.
You are still being a Sangoma.
Maxhosa. Uthi
Xhosa,
udecide ngo.
you need to decide now.
Isathi sometimes uMongcwele kethela lento yokuba
When the Spirit of God says this,
ndifuna ungathethi. It's like Father,
Father,
sithethe into eyi-one lapha.
saying one thing here.
Uthi kum no kule season ndikuthumele loo nto badila
I'm
nalo
saying
moya.
this, say one thing.
Dila nalo moya because wenza abantu bahlupheke. Wenza la maxhosa asokole.
It makes
Go keep her and pray.
My father,
Yes.
ndinotata apha my father ubuthethe naye kwi-overflow.
I have this one that you spoke with the
Wathi lo
overflow.
moya ukumaxhosa
You said the spirit is
wobugqirha
process.
ungakhoza ipeyini
On some
ekuzawubangela
medical
uba
pain.
kuthiwe kungenxa yoba funeka ube ligqirha.
And they can say it's because
Man
you
of
have to
God,
be a
nanku
Sangoma.
utata
We have this father
uthi
beside us.
iindawo zintathu azihambileyo
He has been to three
zithethe into
places.
eyi-one.
They are saying the same
Batata
thing.
funeka unxibe intsimbi
That you need to
yobugqirha.
wear beads of being a Sangoma.
Man of God,
Man of
uthi
God,
uyile eziyoni.
he said that
Athi
it's being
eziyoni
Zion,
funeka intsimbi kuwe
that you need to wear
ngoba
beads
uligqirha.
because it must be a
Uyile
Sangoma.
St. George.
He has been to St.
bazalwana
John.
ndawo ndithetha ngazo ziinkonzo
It's saying the
kuthiwa
church.
ziicawa uyile ezicaweni
He has been to
kuthiwa funeka
churches.
ufake intsimbi yobugqirha
They say must be a
uyile
Christian
emntwini
person.
omnyama which is
He
wamagqirheni
has been to
athi
Sangoma.
join
too.
us
But you
uligqirha wena
You are a Sangoma.
man of God umoya kathixo
The Spirit of
uthethe
God.
exactly le nto yenzeka kutata
It's spoken exactly what is happening to the.
tata uyambulela uyesu namhlanje
Khona oshaya leso sakhe.
othile into ongakhange uyithethe emntwini
I thank Jesus. Man of God, we have Uta that you prayed for in the overflow. As you're praying for him, man of God, you said that what I'm dealing here with is a spirit that is close to the spirit of being a Sangoma. And man of God is confirming that he has been to 3 places before. He has been to 2 religious churches, and they're saying that he needs to be initiated into a Sangoma. And he said also, man of God, he's been to a witch doctor, and they told him that he needs to be initiated to be a Sangoma. We glorify Jesus who reveals things in this place.